Hello, this is gonna be like a short tutorial on how to make a poster in the source filmmaker. So start by just naming your poster. I'm gonna name it FNAF Poster 4 and just keep frame rate normal and press create. Now you press Control L, and if you want, just choose a name. I'm gonna use stage for right now. Now since the map's loaded, I'm gonna go up here and go to model. And what I'm gonna do, I have like 5 Nights at Freddy's models, but I'm gonna go like try to find like a scout or something. So I'm just go yell. I'm gonna have to go like cut it or something. You know, I might as well just like wait, workshop items. Of course, can't find anything. I'm just gonna use a help wanted FNAF thing. Really, where's my models? I am going to use Bonnie because she goes weird and broken, and this is just a head, and that's also an error and an error. So once you have your character, yeah, by the way, you hold down the left mouse button and use WASD to move. So what I'm going to do is press this button right here and hold Control and select the character. I'm gonna select rotate so it like faces somewhere. Then I'm just gonna use these arrows so I can like position it to the ground. So here's Bonnie. I'm just gonna position his body so it's like more correct. I don't feel like really doing his arms since I'm gonna have a position probably like this. I'm gonna get, if you want to have the lighting, you can get light out. And since the light's really bright, just might as well turn down the intensity a bit and raise it up. Make it a bit further back and intensity a bit lower. Yeah, just make the intensity about what you want it to be. I think that's about good. I'm gonna mess with these color properties, get more of like a purple color. You can also do this where you can circle them and have like easy movements. It's all coordinated. And since it's gonna be right here, I'm gonna choose face. Where is it? Eye stuff, exojaw. Hold on. Right eye and left eye. Since I got those selected, I'm gonna turn them. Now that's not what I wanted, so Something like that, so it's like facing the camera. I'm able to mess with like the mask. I don't know where it is. So face mask. Make it come up. Let's move the jaw a bit. Go down a bit more. Open up the mouth. Just doing basic editing right now. You can do anything with your model if you want. What I feel like doing, I'm gonna select the arm, make it go up a bit. I don't want it clipping, I want it to be more like real. I'm not trying to make him like look surprised or anything. I'm trying to make like him holding the jaw open. I'm just gonna edit the thumb because it might be seeable. Now I want it to be more creepy, so what I'm gonna do with the upper lid on the left and the right, if I can do it this time, like get something like that, and then the lower lid. That's a bit goofy, but I don't care right now. I'm gonna edit the ears a bit. No, wait. Almost. I was about to say, now that you got your Bonnie, or anything more in a position, I'm going to just repose his fingers to make it look like that more. Prevent clipping by moving the jaw up a bit. I'd say that's pretty good, so let's get camera 1. Now press existing elements, camera 1, then go to Windows and make a secondary viewport. Choose your camera 1, and choose your work camera. See, there's this pink box. What you want to do is select camera 1. I don't know where my thing went, so wait a minute. Focal view. focal distance. So and since it's like that, didn't really have to post the arms or anything. This is a bit tough because I have to figure out what to do. I'm trying to remember. I'm gonna mess up the aperture and make it a bit just at the A, you know. And then I'd say that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Now what I'm gonna do is render settings, motion blur. Okay. Export. Press export. Poster, save as a PNG, and you press export. Now we wait for it to export. It may stop responding, but it didn't for me, so I'm gonna close out now. This is one of my backgrounds I made. I'm gonna go my quick access, my renders. And I accidentally overwritten one of mine again for some reason, but you could come out with something like this. You can mess up your aperture a bit, your focal distance and stuff, and get different blurs and whatever. But that's what will come out, your thing. So if you like the video, just like it or subscribe or something. I don't know. I don't like talking, so bye, I guess.